Mehul, Mehul, beta, please turn your camera on.
Yes, sir.
And good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mehul, don't use these virtual backgrounds. Just wait for a minute for others so that we can could start the class. Okay. Mehul,
Oh,
from where we have to start, I think we have completed the notes now.
yes, sir. We were doing the exercises.
We have to do the book exercise, and after that, the book read. What about the chapter reading?
So, chapter reading we have not completed yet.
From where we have to start?
So, what is web app?
From here we have to start. So after the
What is
chapter, just listen to me. After the completion of the chapter reading, we'll be doing the book exercise. Just wait for the other. Just wait for a minute so that the other could join, and after it we'll be starting. Okay.
oh, sir.
Arav, turn your camera on, and you have to remain your camera on during the class. Arav, good morning. Soloni, good morning, beta. Mehul, am I audible? Mehul,
Yes, sir.
am I audible, beta?
Yes, sir.
And why aren't they replying? So let's start the class. So we have to start from what is a web app. Mehul, start reading. What is a web app?
What is a web app? They are web applications or web apps that run in the cloud and do not need to be installed on your computer.
Hmm.
Many of the most
Just a
popular
minute. There,
sites on the
now listen. Mehul, now listen to me. Just wait a minute. There are certain web application or web apps that run in the cloud and do not need to be installed on a computer. Let's suppose we are using Gmail. We are using the service of Gmail. We are using the service of Flipkart, Amazon. No need to store the data inside that particular application. Okay, we can use it by online storage. Yeah, yeah.
Many of the most popular sites on the internet are actually web apps. You may have even used a web app without realizing it. Let's take a look at some popular web apps. Facebook. Facebook let you
First web
create an
application
online
is the
profile
Facebook.
and interact.
Mehul, you are not clearly audible.
Facebook let you create an online profile and interact with your friends' profiles, and conservations can be updated at
Conversations.
any
It
time.
is it is
So, face,
conversations, not conservation. Conversations.
so Facebook uses web app technologies to keep the information up to date.
Okay, now let's tell me what about.
Pixel art.
Wait a minute. Now I have to explain it. No? Facebook. It is a software developed. It is a website. Yeah, we can say that it is a kind of web page developed by Meta. Okay, owned by Meta. And with the help of Facebook, we can create. We can. It is possible to create online profile and to interact with the friends as well. It might be possible that there are too many friends हम सबके नंबर नहीं ले सकते, so with the help of Facebook, Instagram, we can even connect with them. Okay, profiles and conversations can be updated at any time. So Facebook uses web app technologies to keep the information up to date. चलो now
Pixel art.
wait a
Pixel
minute.
art is
Now Mehul, you have to stop. Garv Agrawal, you start reading it. Garv, am I audible? Shreyansh Patel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Alokik, you start reading it. On page number 168, topic is pixel art. गर्व श्रेयांश ठीक है बेटा आज सिर्फ मेहुल के
yes,
टेंट
sir.
हाँ एक बार में आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती तुम लोगों को
So from where?
from the second topic pixel art inside the web what is the web pixel art
Pixel art is an editing application
hmm.
that runs in your web browser, much like an Adobe Photoshop. It includes many advanced features like color correction and
Sharpening tool
sharpening tools.
basically it is
Google
an now listen to me basically it is an image editing application with the help of it we can enhance the quality of our image like we have like we do in the photoshop okay with the help of this we can also sharpen the image we can do the correct color correction and all with the help of pixel art and it is a web based application okay now next point
Google Docs. Google Docs is
beta
an offline.
alok turn your camera on
पढ़ रहा हूँ सर.
beta
Google Docs
you
is an office
alok
suite.
now listen to me you have to turn your camera on
Okay, sir.
hmm.
Google Docs is an office suite that runs in your browser, much like Microsoft Office. You can use it to create documents, spreadsheet, presentation, and much more because the files are stored in a cloud. It is easy to share them with others.
Like Google Docs is an
Cloud
office. Now listen to me. Google Docs is an office suite that runs in a browser. Let's suppose in our laptop, in our mobile phone, if we are using like any, if we just want to open any document file, we have to install the document software like Microsoft Office in our laptop, in our OneDrive in our phone. But with the help of Google Docs, we can just like search into the browser and we can open the document inside the phone's browser or laptop's browser like Google Chrome and all. Okay, carry on.
cloud storage application.
No,
Cloud
you now
computing
now
enables.
Alokik you stop. Shreyansh, you will lead now.
Okay.
Araf Sankhwar and Gaurav Agarwal. If you will not turn your camera on, I'll
Yes, sir.
mark. If you will not turn your camera on, I'll mark you as absent.
Cloud storage application. Cloud computing enables you to store, edit, and also organize your data using the internet. Using cloud storage, one can share data.
One
There are
person.
many cloud storage applications which include Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox,
You
Mega
left the
Drives,
one point.
Amazon,
You left,
right?
beta, Shreyansh, you left the one point.
Yes.
On page number 168 at the bottom, Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004. You have to take this point as the most important point from this chapter. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004.
Okay, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Dropbox. Dropbox is a client software file hosting service providing personal cloud file
File synchronization.
synchronization. You can collaborate with your projects while you are working in a team.
Hmm.
You can safely sync data across all devices. Your file must be
Your
50
file
GB or
size
smaller.
must be your file size must be 50 GB or smaller. You have to underline this line
Smaller.
that our file size your file size must
Okay,
be 50 GB or smaller.
smaller.
Chalo, now you
Amazon
stop.
Drive.
Now you stop.
Okay.
Garv, Garv beta, please turn your camera on. Saloni, Anukalp, you also need to turn your camera on. If you will not turn your camera on, I will just wait a minute. Let me mark you as absent for today's. Yes. गर्व, गर्व, आई वॉज नॉट audible to you. एक बार
Sir,
बोलो।
my
हाँ,
internet.
हाँ, your internet was not working ना, well, now it is working.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो
Sir,
what
I
did,
was not audible.
हाँ, start reading from the second point, Amazon Drive. Second point from the Amazon Drive.
Sir, I have to read.
Yes, you have to read, beta. That is why I was just asking to turn the camera on.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you please tell from where?
From page number 169, topic is Amazon Drive inside the Google Storage application.
Okay, sir. Cloud storage application. Cloud computing enables you to store,
बेटा,
edit,
बेटा,
and
क्लाउड स्टोरेज एप्लीकेशन के अंदर सेकेंड टॉपिक अमेजन ड्राइव यू हैव टू रीड।
okay, sir. Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive is an application by Amazon. Here, services of cloud storage, file sharing, photo printing, and file backup are available.
अवेलेबल।
Yes, sir. This can also be used to organize and edit photos online. It also helps to sync files and folders. I have to read more. Mega Drive. Mega is an online storage platform. Mega is available for
बेटा,
Windows,
यू हैव टू
Mac, and
अमेजन, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन अमेजन ड्राइव।
okay, sir.
You have to explain it. What is Amazon Drive?
Sir,
Anyone
it
of
is
you wants to
the
explain? Shayansh, Alokik, Arav, Mehul. Anyone of you wants to explain this?
Sir, Amazon Drive is an application by Amazon, and it provides services like cloud storage,
Like it
file
provides services
sharing,
like we can store the
photo
things.
printing, and
We
file backups.
okay, good.
It also helps us to sync files and folders and organize and edit photos online.
Okay, means to say, beta, we can all share the things. We can store the things, even though we can print the things with the help of Amazon Drive, and we can take the backup as well with the help of Amazon Drive. Okay, now let's start with the Mega Drive, and RF Shankar, you are going to read it.
Mega Drive. Mega is an online storage platform. Mega is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux
Mac Mac
platform.
stands for Mac stands
Uh,
for Macintosh operating system. Okay, it is Macintosh operating system given by the Apple. Clear?
you can download files up to 1 GB
Every
every
six
6
hours.
hours.
Underline this. Underline it. You can upload or download files up to 1 GB for every 6 hours.
You can sync files and folders. There
You
is
can
free
sync
storage
file.
up to
You can
3 GB.
sync files and folder. There is a free storage of up to 50 GB. What means to say that we can store data till up to 50 GB on the Mega Drive. So next, Microsoft OneDrive. RF.
Microsoft OneDrive. Let us learn more about Microsoft OneDrive. It was launched on August 4, 2007.
Underline.
All the users
Underline it. Alokik, underline it. I'm just seeing you that you are not doing anything.
All the users who have Microsoft accounts can avail of this service for free. All operating systems, including Windows, Android, and iOS, are compatible with this service. If you are using Windows 10, OneDrive is an inboard feature on your computer or laptop.
Now, underline one. In order to use OneDrive, you must register with the Microsoft website. Okay. So, now this comprehension you have to solve. I am just giving you 2 minutes to solve this comprehension on page number 170, and after that we'll discuss this comprehension. Just quickly solve it. You have only 60 seconds to solve this. I'm giving only 1 minute to solve this comprehension. On page number 1 second. 60 seconds we have. And
Sir, done.
Zian and Saloni, you also need to turn your camera on. Hmm. Done. Chalo, let's discuss the first one. AWS stands for
Amazon.
Amazon Web Server stands for, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी, Amazon. नेक्स्ट हाई स्पीड, जल्दी बोलो.
Advantage.
Advantage.
एडवांटेज, गुड. लोअर
Faster.
लोअर बैंड,
Advantage.
Advantage.
लोअर बैंडविड्थ,
Disadvantage.
गुड.
नहीं नहीं. हाँ,
Advantage.
disadvantage.
डिसएडवांटेज, लोअर बैंडविड्थ विल बी द डिसएडवांटेज बेटा. नहीं नहीं तो. नेक्स्ट वन ड्राइव,
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
गुड. मेगा ड्राइव,
3 GB.
50
MA.
GB.
50 GB. And photo edit,
Pixel art.
Pixel
Pixel
art.
art.
good. Now let's start with accessing OneDrive. How can we access the OneDrive? So who is going to read? Who wants to read? I think Anukal wants to read now. Anukal, beta, you need to turn your camera on. Otherwise,
Accessing
I'll.
one.
Uh, Anukal, you are looking
Scroll the
smart, beta.
start menu or type in the bar
So,
to
you
find
are,
OneDrive.
you are
On the
looking. Anukal, you are looking smart, beta. Chalo.
enter your email address registered with
Beta,
Microsoft website
wait a minute, wait a minute. Slowly, slowly. One first point. Scroll the start menu. Hmm.
or type in the search bar to find OneDrive. Click on the app to open.
Hmm. Next.
Second, enter your email address registered with the Microsoft website.
Good.
Third, the address of OneDrive folder of your computer appears. Click on the next button. Fourth, OneDrive homepage containing our files appears. Fifth, to view it online, select View Online from the right-click menu.
Chalo. Now, who is going to read next steps for uploading files on OneDrive? I think Saloni wants to. Saloni, please turn your camera on.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to start it.
Steps for uploading files on OneDrive. Go to the home page of your one device and click
One
on
drive,
the
not
upload
one device,
button.
beta. It is one drive. One drive.
And click on the upload button. A drop down menu will appear.
Good. Next point.
Second, select the files option. The open
Dialog box.
dialog box will appear. Select the
file to upload. In the case we
In
will
this case,
select in this case we will select a Word document named
sample.
sample.
Let's suppose they just showed you the example, like with the file of sample, they just showed you how can we say select the file. Next, third point,
Third, the uploaded file gets
reflected
reflected in the device
drive.
drive.
So now Zian wants to read. Zian, please start reading.
Steps for uploading folders on Drive.
On
First,
OneDrive.
click on the
Steps
upload.
for
Click on
steps for uploading folders on OneDrive.
First, click on the upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Second, select on folder option from the drop-down menu. The selected folder to upload dialog box will appear. Third, select the folder to be uploaded and click on the upload button. Fourth, the uploaded folder gets reflected in the drive.
Sure. Now, beta, I am giving you 5 minutes to solve these MCQs and fill up, and after that, we'll be discussing these MCQs and fill up in the class. We have 5 minutes to complete these
MCQs.
MCQs and fill up.
So MCQs we have done.
Yes, sir. MCQs we have done.
MCQs you have done now. Fill ups, true, false, and rearrange. After that, we'll be discussing. We have 5 minutes to complete all this. Quickly solve it, beta.
Sir, done.
All of you have been done.
Sir, done. Yes, sir.
Sir, Anukal.
Mukul, Shreyansh, you have done. Alokik, girl, Mehul.
Yes.
Once you once you have done, please raise your hand in the chat box or write the message I have done.
So we have to do the rearrange ones also.
Yeah, you have to do the rearrangement that we are just completed the steps. No, but it is easy for you to do the rearrangement. Anukal, you raised your hand. It means you have done. Arav, you also have raised your hand. Good. What about the others? Alokik, Nehul, Saloni. If you have done, please raise your hand without opening your mouth. Mehul, you also have done good. What about the others? Alokik, Garg, if you have done, please raise your hand. Alokik, Garg, Saloni, Shreyansh, and Ziyan. So that we could discuss the MCQs, fill-ups, and all. Garg, you also have done good. What about Alokik, Saloni, Shreyansh, and Ziyan? So Shreyansh, good.
There are only true false.
So do the true false quickly. Saloni and Ziyan, if you have done, please raise your hand. What about Alokik, Saloni, and Ziyan? Alokik, if you have done, please raise your hand. Ziyan, if you have done, please raise your hand beta in the chat box.
Sudden true, false, and rearrangement also.
Okay, good. Ziyan, you have to do it fast, beta. Chalo, done. Chalo, now start with Anukalp, you have to read the first MCQ and you have to tell the answer of the first MCQ.
Which of the following is not a feature of cloud computing? Sir, auto delete.
Yes, auto delete is the feature of is not a feature of cloud computing. The first answer would be first answer would be bacha auto delete. Now, Arav Shankar, you have to do the second one. Arav
The
Shankar,
drive on OneDrive.
but you have to read the question now as well. The drive owned by
The
Microsoft. The drive
Microsoft
owned by, the drive owned by Microsoft is
OneDrive.
OneDrive. Good bacha. Now next, Zian, you have to read the next question.
Which web is used to edit photos?
Hmm.
Sir, pixel art.
Pixel are good. Saloni, you have to do the next one. Saloni, beta, next question.
Which cloud computer application enables you to create documents,
So what would be the answer?
presentations?
Sorry, beta, bacha.
Yes.
Which answer क्या होगा इसका? Which cloud computing application enables you to create documents, presentation, and a spreadsheet?
Uh,
What would be the answer? OneDrive, Dropbox, Mega Drive, or Google Drive?
the Mega Drive.
No, it is not Mega Drive, beta. Mega Drive only allows you to store the data. Anyone else?
Sir,
Sir,
OneDrive.
Sir,
sir,
Yes, it is OneDrive. Okay, it is OneDrive. Good. Chalo, Garv, fill in the blanks. First, fill in the fill-ups.
The cloud storage is an internet-based
Cloud
service which allow you to,
cloud computing is an internet-based service. Okay.
sorry sir, yes, sir. Cloud computing is an internet-based service which allow you to store your data without installing any software by using web.
Using web. Good. Chalo, next. Alokik.
we can upload or download files up to 1 GB every 6 hours on Mega Drive.
Good. Mehul.
Google Doc is an office suite that runs in your browser.
Good. Next. Fourth one. Zian. Zian.
Yes, sir.
Beta, next one.
Amazon Drive is an application by
Amazon.
Amazon.
Okay. Chalo. Where is Shreyansh? Shreyansh, with the next one.
OneDrive was launched on August 4,
Uh,
2007.
Microsoft OneDrive was launched on August 4, 2007. Clear? One more thing, Shreyansh, you have to do. Shreyansh, whatever we are doing inside the class, let's suppose we are just solving this book exercise, fill-ups, and MC true false or rearrangement. You have to click the picture and send into the class group. Okay? You have to send this into a class group just after the class. Okay. It is you. I'm just assigning you for this task. Okay. Now let's start with the fill-ups. I'm just going to speak the true and false, and you have to just answer. There is only one cloud storage device. It is true or false? Jaldi fatafat.
False.
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 Okay,
False.
good. There are too many cloud storage services.
Yes, sir.
Next, Mega Cloud Storage is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. It is true or
True.
false?
True.
True.
True. Good. Well done.
True.
True.
In Microsoft OneDrive, your file size must be 50 GB or smaller. It is true or false?
False.
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 Microsoft OneDrive, your file size must be 50 GB or smaller. तो ये किसमें होता है 50 GB और उससे smaller size?
The
Drop.
Dropbox
Uh,
method.
Dropbox.
Dropbox.
Good, well done. Next, cloud computing is expensive. It is true or false?
false.
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 Well
False.
done. Next, in Dropbox, file size must be 50 GB or smaller.
Yes, sir.
True.
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 Okay. Now rearrangement done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
चलो
sir.
तो मेहुल you say बेटा first step कौन सी आएगी? What will be the first step?
So click on the start button. Start menu will appear.
Well done. मतलब second one will be the first step. Good. Now, Shreyansh, you have to tell what will be the second step. Shreyansh, you have to tell what will be the second step, बच्चे.
Um, तो ये अभी कर रहा हूँ 1 मिनट.
अच्छा. Arav, you have done?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. No, you say better. What will be the second step?
Click on the OneDrive app. The Microsoft OneDrive will appear. Window appears.
Window
The
appears.
fifth.
Fifth one will be the second step. Well done. Next, Zian, you have to tell the third step. What will be the third step, Zian?
Enter your email address registered with a Microsoft website and click on the sign in button.
Good, well done. Means to say first one will be the third step. Okay? जो हमारी बुक में first step दी हुई है, that will be the third
Aya.
step. What happened? Next, Saloni, you have to tell the next step. Fourth step, Saloni, you have to tell. Anyone else? Garv, Alokik, Anukal. What would be the
So
fourth
can I?
step? Shreyansh, fourth step.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
Step 4.
Third.
The address of OneDrive folder of your computer
The address
appears.
of OneDrive
Click on the
folder.
next
Click on
button.
the next button. Good. And last step. Fourth one will be the last step, and third one will be the fourth step. Clear? Now let's move to the question answers. There are things which we have already done in the notes. Like first question we have done in the notes. Second one is also done. Third one is also done. Fourth one done. Fifth fifth one is also done. Fifth, oh, you have to do the fifth question. You have to do the fifth question in a notebook only. Okay, do it by yourself.
Okay, sir.
And we have completed our syllabus of AI for class 8. I hope you got it. Fifth question you have to do, and revision, there will be a revision test. Revision test 2. In the next class, either we'll be doing the coding or we'll be discussing revision test. I'm just assigning you one work. You have to complete this revision test till the next class, so that we could discuss this revision work in the class. Okay? And Shreyansh, I told
Finally,
you, Shreyansh, I told you to do something. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Just share
हाँ,
me.
what I
Just
told, बेटा बताओ क्या बोला था मैंने?
जो भी आज क्लास में कराया है सारी एक्सरसाइजेस वो
हाँ जी.
ग्रुप पे भेज दो.
You have to send this complete book work into a single PDF into the your class group. When you have to send this?
After the class gets over.
Just after the class. Okay. Now one more thing I'm just going to ask. Do one thing. Just writing. I'm just sharing my screen with you. Okay. Just a minute. I think the screen is visible to everyone now.
Yes, sir.
The screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm writing two Python programs that you need to execute in your system as well. First question is will
right
be
now,
like first question, first Python program writing.
sir,
Write a
sir,
program.
right now we have to do.
No, you have to take the screenshot only. Write a program to find the area and perimeter.
Sir, the spelling of right is wrong.
It is write a program, short form. It is a short form, write a program, WAP. And perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Right. Next question you have to do, write a program to find the total number of students present inside the class with the help of this is your homework. You have to do these two programs in a system and write on a computer's notebook. Just take a screenshot quickly. Less than 1 minute left. Class is going to be over in few seconds.
Yes, sir.
You took the screenshot?
Yes, sir.